how to share screen in your Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to share your screen and then do a presentation? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser, head over to your Google Meet. Now, you need to go to the arrow like icon. This is the share screen option. Just tap on it and then you can choose to share your tab or a window or the entire screen. You can also toggle on the system audio if you want to, hit allow, and then just hit share. And everyone in the chat will be able to see your screen. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.